Today we learned a new subtraction strategy called partial differences. And in partial differences, we can subtract using regrouping, but we're going to do it a little bit differently than the traditional method. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to separate the number 3,417 into parts. 3,410 and 7. So I separated into thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Now I'm going to subtract each one of the places in the number that I'm subtracting. I'm going to start with the thousands place. I'm going to subtract 1,000. That's pretty easy to do. It's 2,000. So now I need to subtract 8 hundreds. This is when it gets tricky. I can't take 8 hundreds if I only have 4 hundreds. So we talked about those place value blocks and how I can take away one of these thousands, and with that 1,000 that I took away, I'm going to chop. And remember, we all chopped it on our desk really, really loud. We chopped it. There are 10 hundreds in each thousand. So I have 10 hundreds from here. I have 4 hundreds from here. So now I have 14 hundreds. Well, now that makes it a lot easier to take away 8 hundreds. 14 minus 8 is 6. So now I'm finished with my hundreds place. Now I need to subtract 3 tens. Well, I can't take 3 tens from 1 tens. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take 100. So now I only have 500. With that 100 that I took away, I'm going to chop it up. There are 10 tens in 100. I had 10 tens from before, so now I have 11 tens. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 11 minus 3 is 8. Finished with my tens place. Now I need to subtract 2 ones. 7 ones minus 2 ones, that's an easy one. 7 minus 2 is 5, didn't have to do any chopping. So now I'm going to put all of those pieces back together. I have 1,585. So 3,417 minus 1,832 is 1,585. This is one strategy. You don't have to use this strategy, whatever strategy works for you. This one's called partial differences.